Well, so we're continuing today in Meretz Hashem in Pirkei, Chapter 2 in Pirkei. Obviously, we find ourselves in Mishna, the 10th Mishna. Heim Amru Shlosha Dvarim. They said three things. The they, by the way, the Rabbi Yonah explains, are the Talmidim, the students of Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai. What did they say? Rabbi Eliezer Omer, Hikvot Chavercha, Chaviv Alecha Kishalach. Your friend's honor should be as dear to you, right, as dear to you as your own. Valti noach lichos, do not anger easily. V'shuv yom echad lifnei misasach, and repent, do tshuva one day before you die. V'havim mischamim keneged uran shel chachamim, and warm yourself by the fire, by the light. It really means the fire of the chachamim, the sages. V'vizar begachalosan shelo tikava, but be careful of their coals so that you won't become burned. Because their bite is like the bite of a snake. Their sting is like the sting of a scorpion. And their hissing is like the hissing of a serpent. And all of their words are like coals of fire. So let's analyze over here. So Rabbi Yonah writes, let's begin with Rabbi Eliezer. He says, the honor of your friend, the honor of your friend should be just as near to you as your own. So again, the Rabbi Yonah writes, Hilchos derech eretz shanokan, lechazer achar kvod chaveiro, v'yachbotz ki yichabdu kasher chaviz b'fod atzmo. On a simple level, the same way that I'm careful with my own kavod, I'm careful with my own honor, so ultimately, again, I should be just as careful with the honor of my friend. And the same way, to be honest, many of us run after honor. It's not good, but we do it. So to at least use that in a positive way and run after opportunities to see that our friends receive honor as well. Or I should say, it's not really as much run after my friend's honor, but really go ahead and be eager for my friend to be honored as I am honored. Incredible. Do not be easily angered. So here the Rabbi Yonah says something amazing. He says, Yaduahu, kimidas hakas hira ad ma'od. Everyone knows that the attribute, the midah, the character trait of kas is very negative. Of anger is very, but yet, for many of us, we're very quickly and easily drawn to anger. Alkin Amru, therefore Chazal said, Achar shel karchach pamim techais, because it's inevitable that at some point I'll become angry. Hizar shel tehei noach lechos. This is incredible. So maybe to tell someone, don't get angry, maybe that's impossible. But I could tell someone, don't be easily angered. Isn't that incredible? That's the Mishna saying. The Mishna's not saying don't get angry. It says don't be easily angered. There will be things in life that make me angry, and sometimes there's even legitimate anger. But don't be the kind of person who is easily angered. And if you're going to get angry, this is incredible. If you're going to get angry, before you get angry, think about, is this something worth getting angry over? Isn't that incredible? So it's a two-pronged lesson. Number one, the ideal, of course, is not to get angry. But because that ideal is often not attainable for most of us, don't be easily angered. Don't be easily angered. So now you'll ask yourself, okay, that sounds great. Yeah, I'm in. I don't want to be easily angered. But how exactly do I make that happen? So when something happens and you feel yourself about to get angry, pause for a moment and ask yourself, is this worth getting angry over? Is this worth getting angry over? Is this something that really deserves my ka'as or not? And lastly, v'shuv yom echad lifnei misascha, do tshuva one day before you die. So remember again, the Rabbi Yonah writes, yashuv hayom shami yamos lamachar, do tshuva today because you may die tomorrow. And now remember, of course, we know that the extrapolation from this, right, the lesson from this is a person never knows when they're going to die. So therefore, again, if I always have to do tshuva one day before I die, the reality is any day in life could be that one day before I die, and therefore I have to make sure to do tshuva every day, which is really just an incredible idea that if I know that if something is in a state of disrepair, don't wait until Elul, or don't wait until Rosh Hashanah, Aseret Yemei Tshuva, Yom Kippur, Shmini Atzeres, Chanukah, Tu B'Shvat, whenever we wait to, but rather if something is in a state of this spiritual disrepair, personalistic disrepair, repair it now, fix it now, do tshuva now, don't wait, because we don't know what life has in store for us, and therefore we always want our personal situation to be misudar, to be in order. Incredible. All right, we'll stop over here for today. Shkoyach, everyone.